Have you ever felt like you're pushing your limits in training, but your progress has inexplicably stalled? You're in the company of many who experience what's known as hitting a fitness plateau. This frustrating point occurs when improvements seem to halt, making you question your efforts. It's essential to recognize that plateaus result from your body adapting to your workout regimen, leading to workouts that once posed a challenge now feeling mundane. Causes range from repetitive routines to insufficient recovery and inadequate nutrition. Beyond the physical, the psychological toll, manifesting as diminished motivation or even thoughts of giving up, can be significant. Recognizing this helps us develop comprehensive strategies that cater to both physical and mental fortitude, setting the stage for breaking through barriers with tailored nutritional insights and workout modifications. As we advance, anticipate learning how to fine tune your diet and refresh your exercise routine to leap over these hurdles and rekindle your fitness journey. As we apply a holistic approach to conquering fitness plateaus, we encounter a crucial, often overlooked component: nutrition. Proper dietary habits form the cornerstone of surmounting stagnation and achieving peak performance. Nutrition in fitness transcends mere portion control or food avoidance. It's about premium fuel for peak output. Central to our fitness nutrition are balance and preparation. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats must harmonize to meet your body's demands, while hydration emerges as a pivotal yet undervalued performance enhancer. Through meal planning and prep, you ensure a consistent, nutritious diet, sidelining the temptation for subpar choices and aligning your food intake with your body's needs. Embracing these principles propels you past stagnation, setting the stage for innovative exercise strategies and motivational boosts that promise to elevate your fitness journey, blending nutrition's power with dynamic workouts and solid motivation. With nutritional groundwork in place, let's invigorate our routine with novel exercises that challenge the body and spark progress. Introducing variety, such as high-intensity interval training, new sport resistance bands, ensures continuous advancement by keeping your body guessing. However, transformation isn't solely about diversification in physical activity. It also hinges on setting achievable, motivating goals. Documenting ambitions, monitoring advancements, and adapting objectives are pivotal steps on this personalized journey. Each milestone, no matter the size, brings you closer to your ultimate fitness goals. Celebrating these victories nourishes our determination, serving as a potent reminder of our objectives and resilience. As we forge ahead, remember that the path forward is filled with opportunities for growth, and that every step, every challenge overcome, is a testament to our strength and perseverance. Here's to surpassing limits and scaling new peaks in our fitness voyages.